guys, rain of the month. What it do? What was it again? July 3rd. Yeah, July 3rd, 2024. We have to capture the moment. Look at this. Come on. It's crazy. Oh, and it's my mistake if I forgot to name the title. Oh my god. And this suddenly happened like 1 minute ago. I was actually studying, but then I randomly looked out of the window and then just came here. Have you ever seen such an heavy rain in your life? Oh, yeah, it became less heavy. Well, okay. Bye guys. See you next video, I guess.